Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. So today I wanted to bring you a video all about propagation. As you can tell, I have lots and lots of plants in front of me that I'm currently trying to propagate. And I want to show you exactly how to do it because it's so simple to do. And if you're a little bit patient, you will see these plants thrive. And not only is it easy, it is completely free way of, multiplying your plants. So why wouldn't you do it is the question I would ask. So I think I'll start by showing you what plants I'm currently propagating and then take you through each of the plants and show you how to propagate them. So let me talk you through this little set I've got going on. First of all, how cute is this set? And you won't believe it, but it's from H&M Home, to be quite specific. So you may know H&M has been doing really well with its home collection. I have been buying their plant pots for some time now, and recently I saw this and I had to snap it up because I knew it was just gonna get sold out very quickly if it hasn't already. So I really like this. I wish they were slightly taller and perhaps a bit wider and had a bit more spacing in between each of the test tubes. But it's okay, it's not perfect, but it looks nice and I'm okay with it. So let's start from here. So I have got here, these are your watermelon peperomia. They look like watermelons, if you haven't seen it already. And all I have done here is literally chopped off the stem and plunked it in water. It's been sitting there for, I would say about, a week now, but it hasn't really done anything. And I don't know, I'm taking a bit of gamble with this one because the leaves were already sort of damaged, and sometimes when you've got damaged leaves it's harder for new shoots to come through, but you never know. I just wanted to try my luck. So I've got a few of those sitting here. So next to the watermelon peperomia, I have got these Philodendron Heartleaf. They have started to root, I can tell. Now what you need to do with philodendrons is they have these nodes and you have to make sure that you are cutting it with a node, and then that node is what is dipped in water because that's how they actually propagate. So two of these looking fine here. So next to that, you've got your Epipremnum N'Joy, which are variegated type POTHOS. Now I absolutely love these guys. They look stunning and they're very easy to grow as well. Again, the roots are starting to come through. I can see that, which is really satisfying. Trust me, you won't know this until you actually do it. So better get started on that. And then I've got these, your Bog Standard POTHOS, which probably is the most easiest house plant to propagate, and I've propagated loads and loads of these in the past. And yeah, they seem to be doing fine. I think I only put them in here yesterday, so it's probably going to take at least a couple of weeks for the roots to come through. Next one here we've got is your string of hearts. They are beautiful, again very easy to propagate. Now let me tell you something. Sometimes obviously I am using the water propagation method and it works well sometimes. The other times I'm just too impatient because you are seeing it through the glass, and if I'm not seeing any progress, I'm just like, oh, what the heck, I might as well just put it in soil. And I have done that, particularly with string of hearts, but I'm planning not to do it because I just want to see the roots come through. So I've got, I think, two types of string of hearts here. I've got the normal string of hearts, and then I've got the variegated type. So yeah, let's see how these guys do. They seem to be doing fine. I think I can see tiny roots coming through on some of them, which is great. And then I have more of that in the tube next to it. And then finally, I have these Philodendron Brazil, again, very similar to your Philodendron Heartleaf or even POTHOS. And they seem to be rooting quite well as well. So that's great to see. Oh, this guy has to go in a little bit so that the roots are in the water. Okay, so that's my nice set over here, all done. Oh, I didn't even realize, but one of them have somehow come out of the vessel. See, this is what I mean. If it was a little bit bigger, it would have been that I wouldn't have had that issue, but it's okay. We will learn to live with that. So if I can maybe bring some others and put this one away. So very quickly, this particular one, now I wouldn't say this is the most common houseplant that you would propagate, but I was recently repotting my what's this called? Asparagus Fern, and I separated it from the mother plant, and I just wanted to test it out to see, you know, if this will actually work. I did put it in the soil in the first instance, but then I just thought, let me just see how this reacts. Now the roots look healthy, they seem fine, so I'm just gonna leave it in here for as long as I can until I feel the roots are, you know, healthy for it to be moved. So here we've got lots and lots of Monstera Adansonii. Now I only did this over the weekend. I was really scared to do this because I had a plant which had about 13 leaves growing from just one leaf. Okay, someone on Instagram had sent me just one leaf that wasn't even rooting, and managed to grow about 13 leaves in about a year, which is bonkers. But it was a full-grown plant, but obviously I only had one stem, so what I wanted was something that was more bushier. So I thought, well, actually, if I just take cuttings of each of those leaves and turn it into a bushier plant, hopefully by next year it's going to be 13 times 13 or however many leaves it's going to grow. So that's what I've done. I'm a little bit scared, but you know, I hope it will survive, and I think it should. So I've just left it in this nice candle jar that I've obviously emptied out. I absolutely love candle jars to use as, you know, plant pots or even propagation pots. So here I've got some Epipremnum N'Joy and some Philodendron Heartleaf. So that's that one here. One of the other easy to propagate house plants is this Monstera. Now Monsteras are super easy to propagate. Again, similar to all the other plants that I've talked to you about, you just take a cutting and the node is what you dip in the water. And this one has been in water probably for about a week, and it is incredible to see how much roots it has already grown. This is probably the fastest growing plant just generally, and to see its roots is just so satisfying. And I actually like having Monsteras like this sometimes. It just, you know, it's just such a nice decor piece, and to have those roots naked is also quite nice sometimes to see. So that's my Monstera, and as you can tell, the leaves are quite small. And I have got this other one, which is your, oh, I can never pronounce the name of this plant. I think it's called Transandia, yeah, I cannot pronounce the name of this, so I will put it in the description bar. But again, this is so easy to propagate, and you know, probably one of the most low maintenance plants. I would think it's even easier than POTHOS. It just keeps growing, and with very minimal attention and care as well. So there you have it. Those are the plants that I am currently propagating, and you should too if you have them. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.